everybody, I am back to show you another second-hand vehicle. With me today is our 2019 Carado T135 in motion. Come on, let's take a look. So, of course, you have your factory-fitted alloy wheels. You do have your pull-out welcome steps there, along with an awning light. Round the side here, you have your large garage just there, and you can also access that from under your bed area, but I'll show you that whenever we go inside. There is, of course, a reverse camera with this motorhome up above, but let's dive right inside. So this is a 2019 vehicle, as I've mentioned. It is manual. Up front, you do have your multimedia system just here. You have your cab aircon, you have your cruise control, all your standard spec up the front. So these seats are lovely, half leather, half fabric upholstery. They are just like new, honestly. And then of course you have your lovely foldable table here. This is your main living area, as well as where your 4 belts are. So your 2 just there, and then of course your 2 in the cockpit. Moving down the vehicle, you have your kitchen, 3 gas hob, your lovely big sink. This is a 3-way fridge down and under here, with your freezer compartment just up above. And then of course you have your combined oven and grill down below. This is a lovely compact van. You have tons of storage in here, you know, just like the likes of in here, across the way. Moving back now, you do have your fixed corner bed. Lovely big long bed. And then you do have tons of storage just in under there as well. And that's access to your outside garage as well. Truma heating comes with this vehicle just down here. And more storage. Now into the bathroom. Hello there. So this is your combined shower and toilet area. Your sink does fold out just here. So that's how you would access it whenever you're using the toilet. When you're ready to have your shower, it just folds up out of the way. And then there's a wee clip to hold it in place. And same with your tap, it folds out of the way as well. So there we have it. That is our 2019 manual Carado T135. If you'd like to see anything else about this vehicle, please let me know. I have no problem showing you, and I will see you in the next video.